Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen and today I'm going to be showing you how to make what I call green stew or green vegetable sauce, which you can use to eat your rice or your macaroni or your spaghetti. So the first things you need to have is your vegetable, that is your carrots, chopped cabbage, your onions, and you need green peppers. So I used serrano, jalapeno, and the large bell peppers. So I just blended them together, added like 2 habaneros, blended them, and then I'm frying them in vegetable oil, as you can see right there. So what I'm adding there is the meat, which I have already boiled. That is beef, the beef towel, the intestinal parts. I love that, and it's really nice. It has a very nice flavor. So I already set the broth aside and I'm just going to put the meat into the sauce while I stir it until the sauce is completely fried, not to have that raw taste in the mouth. The vegetables I have already cut right here, so I'll fry that for a little while longer. This is the carrots, this is the green pepper, the cabbage, the onions, everything. As you can see, I have already added the vegetables into the already fried sauce, but before then I had added my seasoning, my curry, my thyme, my rosemary spices into that. And then this you see here is the remnant from the chicken I had fried before now. So the remnant, the pieces left in the oil and the ones I had left, I just put them together in the freezer. So that was what I took, and yeah, just added it for some extra flavor. And so you have, little pieces of meat here and there to always chew. Always tastes nice like that. So yeah, I just mixed that up really quickly, and please subscribe to my channel, put on your notification bell so you get more posts. I do this like once every week or once in a while, but I usually post hair videos and makeup videos on Mondays and Fridays. So cooking videos or any other thing I do, I can post any other day of the week, mostly on Wednesdays or on Sundays. But since there's been Thanksgiving coming up, I decided to do something like this to share with you guys. It could be an emergency routine for you and your family to just, have a nice Thanksgiving and enjoy good food. And make sure you're using medium heat for your cooking so you don't burn your food.
A few moments later.
Oh yeah, you see that? It looks really nice. Oh my god. Let me know below in the comment section if you try this out, and yeah, leave a link below. Thank you. I'll make sure to check it out.